Are you tired of the endless delays and complications that come with traditional building methods? Introducing PEB Multi-Story Building Construction, your solution to efficient, streamlined, and cost-effective construction. With our innovative pre-engineered building systems, you can expect faster project completion and reduced labor costs, allowing you to focus on what truly matters. Our state-of-the-art technology not only speeds up the construction process but also enhances the sustainability and durability of your build. Imagine a structure that is not only aesthetically pleasing but also designed to last for decades, saving you money and resources in the long run. Join countless satisfied clients who have transformed their construction experience by choosing PEB. It's time to elevate your project with precision engineering and unmatched quality. Contact us today to get free consultation, or to know more details visit our website link in description. Don't forget, like, share and subscribe our channel. Thank you.